If you want to succeed in dropshipping with AI, it's no longer optional, it's essential. In this video, I'll be showing you the #1 AI tool you should use this year to make your dropshipping journey smoother, simpler, and more successful. I'd also like to introduce you to the 15-day dropshipping challenge, a step-by-step program that takes you from complete beginner to running your own store in just 2 weeks. Watching this video to the end might give you a shortcut through that journey. But if you'd rather learn at your own pace, taking the challenge is a great choice too. In both cases, we need to give an overview of Doba. Doba is a US-based dropshipping platform that has been connecting online retailers with trusted suppliers since 2002. It offers millions of products from a vast supplier network, all managed through one easy-to-use interface. You can create product listings with a single-click sync inventory, and orders in real time integrate with major platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay, and let Doba handle fulfillment and shipping. And without dragging out the intro, let's jump straight into it and quickly create an account on the website using Gmail. Once you're signed in, you'll land on a clean, simple dashboard with a huge catalog of products. Here you can access the 15-day dropshipping challenge, while also exploring Doba's powerful AI hub. The challenge will guide you step by step through building your store in just 2 weeks, and AI Hub will speed things up by helping you create store designs, product descriptions, and even marketing materials in seconds. This way, you're not just following the challenge, you're turbocharging it with AI support right from the start. First, the challenge begins with day 1, where you'll be taught and guided through the challenge's content to give you a clear picture, supported by a short video that I recommend watching until the end. You also need to specify the niches you're interested in working on. For me, I always focus on health and beauty and pet niches. Then, let it know how long you've been running your dropshipping business. Finally, fill in your business address information accurately. Then we will move to the second day directly. And here we are on day 2 of the challenge time to understand exactly how dropshipping works and why it's one of the easiest ways to start an online business. Dropshipping simply means you don't keep stock. When someone orders from your store, your supplier ships it directly to your customer. That means no packing, no storage, and no shipping headaches. You just focus on your store, marketing, and growing your brand. And to do this in practice, there are 2 ways. The traditional method, which takes some time, involves searching with category filters, comparing products based on criteria like wholesale price and stock availability, contacting suppliers, and so on. This is where AI comes in to save you all that work. Just head over to the AI Hub section. Then, go to the AI Product Finder feature next. You'll land on this page. Click Try AI Product Finder again, then choose your target category, like pets. You can refine it further by selecting subcategories, such as cats, and then cat food. Now, Doba will suggest the top performing products based on your selections. Once you find a great product, simply click Add to Inventory List. You can add tags to organize your products, or skip this step, and then add it directly to your store by clicking List to Store. Now, let's get back to the challenge. Specifically, day 3. Here we find some statistics from reliable sources showing that the global dropshipping market is expected to surpass $530 billion in 2026 and could exceed $2.5 trillion by 2034. This is a response to anyone who tries to discourage you, saying the market is over. On the contrary, now is your chance to grab your piece of this huge pie. You will also learn how much dropshippers earn based on experience and the most popular niches currently. To delve deeper, watch this video. It will really help you. Now, from day 4 to 15, I will summarize it for you in 2 minutes, but it is also recommended that you try the experience yourself. So first, let's go to the section, AI Tool Hub, then AI Store Builder. Now, let's follow the steps. First, we'll choose the platform, and personally, Shopify is always my top choice. Next, select your niche and tell Doba what type of products you want to sell or who your store's target audience will be. Next, choose a style, and Doba's I will generate multiple store themes with curated banner images, colors, and layouts. Pick the one that best fits your brand, and then we'll connect a brand new Shopify store in just 4 simple steps. Connect to Shopify, and you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store to install the Doba app. Once connected, the AI will automatically sync your store. Just follow the steps explained in this small tutorial. Finally, click the Go Live button to launch your store. Congratulations, your store has been successfully generated with 10 winning products automatically added. Now we'll return to this feature to save time and effort in finding winning products with a 95% success guarantee. As I showed you earlier, Choose your niche and then search for products to add to your store's inventory list. Next, you'll need to add the product details, including the title, tags, price, and SEO settings to optimize your listing. And here too, Doba has your back with an AI optimizer that helps you improve the product title instead of sticking with generic ones or relying on copy-paste. You can also use it to enhance the product description for maximum impact. You can even upload other images of the same product if you have them in high quality. Finally, when you have finished all the modifications, click on List Now. Alright, the product is being listed to the store. By the way, you can also follow the traditional or rather manual steps provided in the challenge to learn in a way that really engages your mind, helping you gain broader knowledge about the field in general. Now, when it comes to the technical and logistical side, Doba and its AI tools have already taken care of that. At this stage, the second half of the mission is all about how you promote your products to the right target audience. And that brings us to the end of this video. You'll find all the links in the description below. And remember, our goal is to reach 10,000 warriors before the end of the year. Goodbye.